Hi, it's Joan with the University of Florida IFAS Extension Services, Pinellas County, here at Weeden Island Preserve. And I wanted to take you on a little walk today to show you something that we're really proud of in the preserve. The return of our educational signs along the trails. These signs have really cool information about what you may be able to observe on the trails at that particular point. Information about ecosystems, the various plants and animals that you might see along the way, and some other curious and interesting topics. So whether you're grabbing an incredible 360-degree view from atop our observation tower, having a nice stroll along the Upland Trail, or simply taking in the amazing diversity of wildlife viewing along the estuary, take a few moments to enjoy the messages in our interpretive signs, and you just may appreciate what you are experiencing that much more.